Is it sometimes possible to save caulking that has only surface mold without removing all of it? If the mold is truly superficial and the caulk behind the visible stain is intact and clean, start by cleaning with a strong household bleach solution of 1 part household bleach to 3 parts water. Apply with a spray bottle or cloth. Let sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Then scrub with a non-abrasive brush and rinse thoroughly with warm water. Wear gloves and eye protection and ensure the area is well ventilated when using bleach, and test a small hidden area first to avoid discoloring adjacent materials. After drying completely, apply a mildew stain remover designed for silicone or latex caulk if the stain persists, following manufacturer directions and allowing full cure time before exposing to moisture. If the silicone joint flexes or shows separation from the substrate, stop and plan for removal because trapped moisture will continue to feed mold. When removing old caulk for replacement, use a dedicated caulk remover tool and a solvent appropriate for the caulk type to soften residue. Then clean the joint with rubbing alcohol or acetone and let it dry fully before applying new caulk. For best long-term results, choose a caulk formulated for bathrooms and wet areas and follow bead technique tips like cutting the nozzle at a 45-degree angle and tooling the bead with a wet finger or smoothing tool within 5 to 10 minutes for a continuous bond. Common mistakes include assuming surface whitened mold is harmless and leaving it in place, which lets spores remain and reappear. So, if cleaning does not fully remove staining, plan for replacement. Another error is inadequate drying after cleaning or substitution of bleach with weaker cleaners, both of which allow mold to regrow quickly, so always dry fully and use a mildew-specific product when needed. A third issue is improper removal or substrate preparation when replacement is needed, which causes poor adhesion and early failure. So remove old caulk down to clean substrate, clean with solvent, mask edges for a neat bead, and allow full cure time before wetting. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work by connecting both sides through project listings and profiles. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and professionals share real-world tips and ask and answer questions about projects like mold treatment and caulk replacement.